a young scholar arrives in Heidelberg, seeking knowledge and ideas that will shape the future. In the lecture halls of Heidelberg and Munich, Allama Muhammad Iqbal immerses himself in the philosophy of Nietzsche, Kant, and Goethe, refining his intellectual outlook. While in Germany, strengthening his command of the language, Iqbal shared a quiet connection with his German teacher, Emma Wegenast, exchanging letters. As he mastered German, their bond deepened, with him even correcting her grammar, reflecting their mutual respect. By the Neckar River, Iqbal wrote Ek Sham for Bangidara, inspired by the serene landscape. Iqbal spent 4 years in Germany, mastering German and earning his PhD with his thesis, The Development of Metaphysics in Persia, which he wrote in German. This experience shaped his intellectual and poetic legacy,